Alright everybody, welcome back, and welcome back. As you see here, we got a little something going on over here, a little project. So we got this dirt moved around, we got some of that moved around, some of this moved around, some of that moved around. Alright. Get this bad boy moved out of here. Alright, I'll get that cleaned up here in a moment. Momentarily, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. So basically, as you see here, crazy, funky little chickens. Got a dirty booty. Alright, anyways. So this is actually a door. So we have hinges right here. Yeah, I approve this message. Somewhere in here there's some more hinges. They're buried. Only thing is it's not a barn door. It doesn't split in half. But it does open all the way on the bottom. I mean, all the way. Once I remove that thing there, the whole thing swings open. Alright, so I'm going to leave all of this. I'm not going to break any of this concrete up. Leave that alone. It's in good condition. Leave it alone. Not touch it. Don't touch it. Alright, so basically we're in the process. We're in the first. We're cutting. We're breaking ground. We're in the first phases here. We're going to be using some of this material and a whole lot of this material. Whole lot of material. You know, material? There's material. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to make all of this into something like this. Alright. So this frame, this piece, this bottom board is basically going to be basically going to be made similar to this. I'm going to copy this type of a frame basically. You see this board here? There's another one of these at the very bottom of this board, all the way at the very bottom. Another like 10 inches down to a foot down. So there's basically two of these boards going that way. There's this center board, which is an original vintage real 2x4. This is recycled material. This was an old pallet. Basically all of this material here is all recycled material. Basically how I've made this and how I've made this type of frame here is basically the basic outline for the whole everything. Alright, and here is our planter box that we finished yesterday, last night, whatever you want to call it. Alright. Got some funky little chickens. Chickens everywhere you were. There's my little cutie. Hi, little cutie. Look, she got one eye. Now she's one eye cutie. Now she's one eye. Pick, 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 pick. Pick, 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 pick. Little chicky. She gives me little itty bitty eggs. They're like that big. So cool. Alright, guys. Bunch of stuff everywhere, in the process of cleaning, organizing, all that fun stuff. So back to the project. This is basically going to be the first of many. This will, when I'm done cutting it, it's going to actually be sitting like this, but I just have it sitting up right now just as a give you an idea. So I'm going to have this here, and I'm going to make basically a box frame like you saw just previously earlier, but that gives you an idea where I'm trying to go. Okay, and then from there I'm basically going to be doing a bunch of this triangulating, whatever you want to call it, fun stuff, make it look vintage, and as it ages it looks more vintage, whatever. Okay, fun. All right, you guys, take care, all that good stuff. Bye.